I have to move my chair, y'all. My cats are getting on my nerves so bad right now. So let's make sure we get our rolling pin in the flour real good this time, shall we? Let's grab another little crescent. Gosh, this one looks big. Some of them look not cut evenly. Like this one's real big. I think I'm going to add this piece of dough right here. I probably just messed that up, but it will be all right. Just roll it into this. Oh, good. That's working better this time. I just need a little more flour. Now, you don't have to roll out your dough, but I think I would recommend it because I think it makes it easier to work with. So we're going to take, those are hooked together, so we're just going to put them right there. And I'm going to just pull this on over here like this. Pull this up around this peachy here. Miss Peachy. I'm using fresh peaches. Excuse me, Bloomer! I'm using frozen peaches because I didn't have any fresh peaches. But it is all good. And I'm just wrapping it on around here. Just like so. And I'm just going to drop it right back into that bowl again. I'm getting flour all over my shirt, y'all. Hi, y'all.
Hi.
Welcome to our kitchen. If you're new, my name is Misty.
I'm Charlotte.
Get in the screen, booger. And happy Palm Sunday to everybody.
Happy Palms Day.
It's not Palm's Day, it's Palm Sunday. And Easter. All right, so now we're going to introduce the ingredients, y'all. Now, oh, excuse me. But these are Mountain Dew peach dumplings with raisins. So, I'm introducing the first ingredient, which is raisins.
We got Mountain Dew over here, too.
Yes, and they are cooked in Mountain Dew in the crock pot. And then we've got crescent rolls.
And then we got cinnamon sugar.
And as we make it, I'll tell you all how we make it. And then we're going to come in with some Land O'Lakes. Land O'Lakes butter. Because butter makes everything better.
Then we got some peaches.
Now, I don't know if I'll use both bags of peaches. And, of course, you need granulated sugar. Granulated sugar. And this is the brown sugar. Why are you smelling it? All right, so I'm going to start putting this together for you all. All y'all got to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy this dessert recipe. My cat really needs to move. But anyway, we are going ahead and we're grilling out today. It's going to be exciting. But you're not going to be in the picture. But yeah, we're grilling out today, and we're grilling out, I'm not telling you yet. And for dessert, we are making peach dumplings. Simple, easy, fun, fast, delicious, with soft serve vanilla ice cream. So y'all, on that note, I think we should get started, don't you?
Yeah.
But we so appreciate each and everybody coming to see us. And thank you so much, and I hope you'll stay to watch the whole video.
It's good.
And
I taste the bread, dumplings, and I haven't gotten the peach yet.
don't take all your ice cream at one bite, booger. You're not saying anything.
There's a raisin. I think it's really good.
Well, good. Blooper take 2. Take 2. Okay. So I've rolled this out a little bit. So I'm going to grab a peach right here. 2, in fact. And see, I wanted to roll it out more. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like this. And then I'm going to just pull this flap over here and start rolling it this way. And then tucking this in. Now I can go ahead and bring this on around. Just roll it on around there. There we go. That's perfect. See? That's the perfect little dumpling. And I'm just going to lay it in this bowl for right now. And we're going to continue just making those just like that. And it doesn't matter how you roll them up or how they look. Because remember, they're going to puff up anyway. Y'all, these will be gone in a day, in one sitting. It's just the dessert to go with dinner tonight. All right, we got those in there. Now, I was making sure on my recipe on the computer that I was doing this right. I just go by my heart, you know. So we are going, let me move this out of the way. Put our butter right here. Okay. All right, so in our melted butter here, you're going to add brown sugar. Now, I use 2 cans of crescent dough dumpling things. So if you only use one, you'd only do 1/3 cup of brown sugar. But I have to double that. I'm gonna stir this. So I'm gonna add a little more brown sugar. All right, so in our melted butter here, you're going to add brown sugar. Now, I use 2 cans of crescent dough dumpling things. So if you only used one, you'd only do 1/3 cup of brown sugar. But I have to double that. I'm going to stir this. So I'm going to add a little more brown sugar. Make sure you stir it all up. And then you're going to add in 1/3, well, not 1/3, because again, that's only if you did 8 ounces of crescent dough. So we're going to add in some granulated sugar. Don't want to get it too sweet. And stir that up. Okay, we are now ready to pour our butter mixture over our dumplings. So give it a good stir again, make sure everything is combined. And we're just going to pour it all in here. All that good sweetness. Yeah, y'all, I'm one of those people that's got to get every drop. Excuse me. Now we're going to add a splash of vanilla, about 2 capfuls. We're going to throw in the rest of our frozen peaches. And we're going to add a handful of raisins, 2 handfuls. All right, y'all, we got all the ingredients in for our peach raisin dumplings. And we're going to put the lid on there. And we're going to set it on low for 5 hours. They'll be ready at 7. Can't wait for you, little babies.